What's up, everyone? I'm here in front of Toronto's Union Station. Today I plan on walking the downtown loop. That's a circuit consisting of 14 subway stations. If things are running smoothly, it takes around 23 minutes or so to ride it all the way around. This walk is about 7.5 kilometers. Google Maps says this should take around an hour and 37 minutes, but I think I can do it quicker than that. It's 3 degrees Celsius today, which isn't so cold for December. I hope to get back here soon, so let's go. Okay, so we're back at Union Station. That took about an hour and 13 minutes to make our way through all 14 subway stations on the loop. Apparently, Union Station has a brand new food court, so since I'm here and I'm quite hungry after that, let's go take a look at it. I hope you enjoyed this quick run through Toronto's downtown loop. I plan on making new videos every week, so if you like this video and would like to see more, please feel free to click like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.